Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you how to format your Laravel blade files. So if your files are not formatted, it is appearing something like this. So there is a VS Code extension which will help you. Simply go to the extension tab and simply type here blade formatter, and this extension will come right here. It's specifically built for Laravel blade files. It's got almost 2 million installs, and it automatically detects the unformatted code and automatically formats that. So once you click the install button and simply activate this extension, so after it activates, now simply go to the file. Which file is not formatted? Simply right click and you will see this option appearing. As soon as you activate this extension, you will see this option now will appear. If you right click for format document, simply click this option and automatically your file will be formatted. So in this easy way, you can see with a simple click, right click format document, and instantly the file will be formatted. And this is the extension Laravel Blade Formatter. So simply install this for VS Code, and instantly with a matter of time you will able to format your files. So definitely install this extension, and I will be seeing you in the next one.